Yaskawa.
Hi, I'm Steven Peterson. I'm one of the product training engineers here at Yaskawa America Incorporated. In this e-learning module, we will be discussing Yaskawa's DriveWizard Industrial software. DriveWizard Industrial is Yaskawa's free, that's right, I said it, free, support tool. DriveWizard Industrial is a Windows-based software tool designed to make commissioning and troubleshooting of Yaskawa drives as simple as possible. DriveWizard Industrial provides user-friendly tools for viewing, manipulating, and exchanging data with the drive. Data can be retrieved, changed, stored, and graphed. We will go over all of these features and also provide some tips and tricks to make you look like a pro. So first things first, if you don't already have DriveWizard Industrial, be sure to download it off of our website. Just type in yaskawa.com, and then in the top right there's a search box. You're going to type in DriveWizard Industrial, and then click Enter. Once you do that, you're going to want to click the first link, and that's going to take you to the DriveWizard Industrial page where you can download the software. DriveWizard Industrial is compatible with the A1000, the P1000, the V1000, the V1004X, J1000, F7, P7, G7, and G5, so pretty much every Yaskawa industrial drive. There's a huge amount of features in DriveWizard Industrial, so with that in mind, the video you are currently viewing is just a short overview, simply touching on the topics that will be discussed further in detail in other videos. For more information on these topics, and for some very helpful tips and tricks, just click the pop-up annotation in YouTube to be directed to that video. If you are not watching this on YouTube, just take note of the module's title, and you can search that title right on our website. We're going to start out with the basics. So this includes coverage of the system requirements necessary to run DriveWizard, and also some tips on installation. Also, the various connection methods will also be demonstrated, including some tricks for the driver installation for the different connection types. In section 2, we will be explaining everything there is to programming with DriveWizard Industrial. So we're going to start out with reading and writing operations, leading into various exporting and sharing options. Additionally, you will learn the best way to transmit vital parameters and monitors right to Yaskawa's technical support group. When it comes to monitoring, section 3 is where it's at. This section touches on how to access monitors, use custom displays, check statuses, and also covers various tricks for trending data. Did you know that DriveWizard Industrial can also control the drive right from your PC? Section 4 will explain when and how to utilize this tool and also demonstrate the different stopping methods when you're in this control method. An important concept to understand is that DriveWizard Industrial operates alongside of a database. So this means that parameters listed in the program are pulled from the installed databases. This is going to depend on the drive's firmware. This will be discussed in further detail in section 5. There are some pretty powerful tools within DriveWizard Industrial. The application wizard makes setup foolproof. Also, that once tedious task of jumping from an older VFD generation to the newest generation will prove to be not so tedious anymore once you get an understanding of the Convert project tool. DriveWizard Industrial's help menu is actually helpful for once. The final section will show how to navigate through this robust help menu. There's a lot of customization that can be also done within this menu. Lastly, the software update feature is going to be discussed.